Hey, this is Steven here, Nolan, and today I want to tackle what may be kind of a confusing topic, but it is the salt-free water softener. Now, there's not really such thing as that. These devices, if you will, are really better thought of as like water conditioners or descalers, but I do want to compare and contrast because they're often lumped in the same kind of category as traditional softeners. So let's go ahead and take a look. If you have hard water, you've got calcium and magnesium, excess amounts in your water, then you can get a lot of annoying side effects. So you get lime scale deposits, you can get your soap won't lather up properly, you can get buildup in your water heaters, especially on the elements. So here's a traditional water softener alternative that has come along. And a lot of people want to call them salt-free softeners, and that's not really what they do. You can't call them that because they don't actually remove minerals from the water. So I think they're best called like Descalers. Aquarex here, you can see, calls them a physical water conditioner. And there was kind of a previous generation of similar products that use magnets, but this one works a little bit differently than that. What it primarily does, it stops scale from sticking to surfaces. So heaters don't scale up, shower heads stay clean. It breaks down and cleans out existing scale in a system. So I mean, they say in a week scale will break away and kind of in flakes as it like loses its adhesion to, say, pipes or where it was stuck before. And it works by these little wires here. All right, so these wires actually wrap around the cold inlet, and they send what are basically like radio signals. And what these radio signals do is they make the calcium kind of form as a powder in suspension in the water. So think of it like a chalk dust, and then therefore it can just be carried away. All right, so if we're going to compare this to a traditional softener, here's the pros, right? There's no salt, there's no maintenance. It is less expensive, especially over the lifetime when you consider salt costs. It's got a really small form factor here as well. And a lot of people actually, when they get softened water, they don't like the feel of it. It could have like a slimy feel. That's actually not going to happen here because there's still some minerals in the water. As far as the cons though, there's a whole group of benefits that traditional water softeners provide that can only be provided by them. A traditional softener actually removes minerals, all right, and the conditioner just crystallizes them. Remember, think of it like chalk dust again. If you are looking for the benefit of using less soap and less detergent, that's actually not going to work with one of these here. Because once again, a water conditioner is not actually removing scale from the system. If you get dry skin because of hard water, this is not going to help there either. A lot of people wonder if these things actually work. Over in the UK, Descalers are extremely popular. The same company makes them over there, and they've been doing that there for almost 30 years. And there's a lot of independent testing and verification showing test results. These things really do work. So in summary, I think the best way to think about these, the best thing to call them are descalers. That makes the most sense to me. And you can see they're not quite water softeners, but they do provide some of those advantages. Anyways, if you like this, please like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.